Hello friends, in this video we are going to configure the email using the Gmail SMTP server. Whether you can use the Mage Plaza, but there is another extension that we are using for the Gmail that is called the MagePal Gmail SMTP extension. So you can get the link from this also, and let's configure the extension. Go to the stores configuration. Here we have MagePal SMTP configurations. Configuration, go to stores advanced settings, enable yes, localhost login SSL SMTP, username mrs.rajni90@gmail.com, password, then to reply yes, email address developer1993@gmail.com. From address into address I'm going to put this, save this configuration save, go and flush the cache. And here we need to check the email, send email. Congratulations, you did it. Please check the magento developer and flush the cache. Okay, so let's check whether we receive the email or not. Gmail, no. Spam, see the email we are getting. Congratulations, your server is configured correctly. So this is how we can send the email. So to for these Gmail notifications, what we need to be consideration. Okay, so first of all, you need to check the settings for security. Settings security, it is it on or off? Okay, second you need to check the unlock capture. When you type, when you type unlock captcha on Google, unlock captcha on Google, it will redirect to that link, and you just need to press the OK. Then all the settings of the Gmail will be done, and you will definitely able to send the emails via the Gmail SMTP. And if you have any issues, then you can let me know in the comment box. I will explain you that if you are facing any issue, it will work on the localhost also. Okay, so don't worry about that, it will work on this very platform. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.